Kimani Ichun'gwa Uiguite ni Maririkiriria Miario ya Ngarama ya Muturire Tariki 3 Mweri Tukite na Macoke Mathondeke Riboti Kuma Mweri kana kuma Tariki 13 Nginya Tariki 17 Mweri oro Ucio na Thutha ucio Gutwara Riboti ino Mbunge na Thutha ucio ikoro Ikinyirio Akenya.
Just to confirm to you that as we reported yesterday, we embarked on the real negotiations of some of the pending issues, and today we have completed our discussion and our negotiations on the pending issues around governance, including the promotion of national unity and inclusivity in public appointments. We have also discussed and agreed on adequate checks and balances, especially around the issues of the bicameral parliaments and issues to do with our county governments. We have also discussed and agreed on issues pertaining to the fidelity to political parties and multi-party democracy. And we have now tasked our technical teams to begin drafting the instruments or bills that will actualize the areas of convergence that we have agreed on. We shall be reconvening next week on Tuesday 31st and Wednesday 1st at the Bomas of Kenya to meet with designated interested parties on the question of the cost of living. As we indicated yesterday, we have not concluded our discussions on the matter of the cost of living. It is one of the very heavy matters before us and a matter that has been of great concern to the people of Kenya in relation to the high and escalating cost of living. And therefore, we want to give it all the attention due to it. And we felt that there was need to engage with other interested parties that would help us to in our negotiations. We shall then conclude the negotiation and agreement on the issues of cost of living the Friday of 3rd of November next week, after which we shall then be considering all the issues in terms of the draft report that the committee has been working on together with our secretary and technical teams in the week of 13th to 17th of November. That week we shall finalize on the report, writing and adoption of the report in furtherance to the times that we had extended by Parliament. And we do hope that after that week we should be able to table the final report before the Houses of Parliament and share with the rest of the country.
Anagwa bururi wa Kenya ukirugamire namba 11 hari